Hey my loves, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one from BestHairBuy. All right, y'all, let's get into our BestHairBuy unit. So we are back, okay, with a box braid 13x5 frontal unit, and I cannot get enough of her, okay? Look at how beautiful these braids are. It's braided all the way to the bottom. This unit is super duper lightweight, okay? And look at that lace. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps will kind of forever, and adjustable band. Okay, so let's go on ahead and just throw her on. So this unit is braided in the front where that 13x5 laces is all braids, and it looks absolutely stunning. Knotless braids, and it looks absolutely stunning. This particular unit is 32 inches, and she is going for, hold your breath now, mother is going for $112.99. Did you hear me in the back? I said $112.99. You can't beat that with a bag. When I mean this unit, the lace alone, look, I didn't even do anything to her. She's ready to go. The lace alone is like nothing to mess with, okay? It really is a quality unit, and BestHairBuy really outdid themselves with this one. Now, this cap size is really comfortable. She is big head friendly, which I love, okay? And obviously you don't experience any tangling or any shedding. Why? Because she's braided, and she really does, when I mean melt, okay? Melt. Let me tell you, I cannot wait for you guys to see the finished product of this unit. She is so really unbelievably fire. Along with this fire wig that you get for $113, okay, you guys, you are also able to opt into getting their hair braid rings pack, okay? And the pack comes with a bunch of different little ornaments for the hair. She is so absolutely fire, and guess what she is? Free. I don't know what else to say to y'all except for my hair is braided. And it's not up for debate. I'm so hype about this. Like, you guys have no idea. I really love how this turned out. Mother's on here, okay? She ain't going nowhere. The cap is super snug. I've said that. I'm going to make sure that you get all the details for this unit. This is fire. And this is also my first braided wig. Like, my first fully braided wig. Look at that, guys. I want you guys to get all up in her. Okay, we went through. All right, comes back here and it gets like, this is the actual wig part where there isn't any lace, and they have it braided down that way as well. But look at how much you get, how much parting space you get. I am so impressed. Like, I'm impressed. And when I got it, I just put it on, you know, just to play. And I was like, okay, this is the style. We dig it, we dig it. Like, mother got her hair braided. Mother's hair is braided. I'm not going to say I don't love the idea of a braided wig. Like, I absolutely do. But I am surprised about how, like, easy this was to lay and how it turned out. This is stunning. I didn't even put baby hairs in it, okay? I like how brown the cap was. Fresh out the pack. I took a little bit of my contour palette and went through and got mother together. But this is like, oh, so you don't want to get your hair braided? Cool beans. I got something for you. I'm really into this, okay? I love how it's braided all the way down to the bottom, so you don't have to worry about it unraveling and getting all icky at the ends. I really do love that. I did not even lay the baby hairs. I said, let them go. Let them go. I really am feeling this. What do you guys think? What do you think? Okay, tell me if I'm looking like a real round away girl right now. Because that's how I'm feeling. I'm feeling like I need a roundaway girl. Whose song is that? Like, love this. Like, what other... How am I inspiring y'all? I just really want to pull it back because this lace is just was really fire. Guys, I ain't got nothing else to say. Listen now. I really don't have nothing else to say. I really do enjoy this unit from BestHairBuy.com. You guys need to check them out. They really did come through with like some love and sex and magic. Are you feeling her? My hair is really braided right now. Have a good day. Like, I really don't have nothing else to say. I'm super hyped. Okay? We came through, got braided down. Okay? In like 15 minutes or less. And can we even argue with that or whatever? So if you have not already, bust down. Tell me how you guys are feeling about her. She's super lightweight. I'm very surprised by that. I'm very surprised by that. So she's super lightweight. The hairline is stunning. The scalp is stunning. I'm just like, really, I couldn't be happier. Okay? Somebody call Martin and tell him to put me on a sitcom or something. Because I feel like I'm that girl right now. Like, I really do. So, I love you guys. I hope you guys bust down. Comment on this video. Tell me what you are thinking. Are you guys into braided wigs? Like, are we moving into that season where you can have a little bit more hair up on your head and it's cool and you get a nice little breeze and you're doing all right? Tell me how you feeling about it, okay? And I'll talk to you beautiful mugs later. Bye.